Welcome to our channel. Enjoying music and sports content on Fire Stick requires the right combination of apps. Follow these step-by-step instructions to set up your entertainment hub. Step 1. For music, download Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, or YouTube Music from the Amazon App Store. All offer free ad-supported tiers. Step 2. Install TuneIn Radio for access to thousands of live radio stations, including sports talk, music, and news from around the world. Step 3. For sports, add ESPN, Fox Sports, NBC Sports, and CBS Sports apps. Some content is free, while other features require cable authentication. Step 4. Download DAZN if you want boxing, MMA, and international sports content. It requires a subscription, but offers extensive live coverage. Step 5. Try Pluto TV sports channels for free, 24/7 sports content, including highlights, classic games, and sports news. Step 6. Install YouTube for free access to sports highlights, analysis, and music videos from millions of creators. Step 7. Consider Fubo TV or Sling TV for comprehensive live sports coverage. Both offer free trials and affordable monthly subscriptions. Step 8. Create a balanced setup combining free and paid services based on your budget and interests. Avoid apps promising free access to pay-per-view events, as these are illegal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.